This is your tax organizer where you can track the responsibilities through each phase until completion. We begin with the Overview tab. On the left side, you see the Timeline section, which shows the due dates of each phase along with the responsibilities to be completed for each. You check off your responsibilities as you complete them. When you are done, you then select the Notify button to advance the process to the next phase, and the other side is alerted that they are up next to work through their responsibilities. On the right side, you see the tax team who has been assigned to this tax organizer, along with an activity feed below. The next tab is Messages, where you can post a question, an update, or an issue that needs to be addressed. We incorporated messages for 3 reasons. Posting messages here is more efficient since it keeps them within the context of the work performed to complete and file the tax return. Posting messages here is more secure than sending by email or text messages. And all your recorded messages are preserved for future reference, such as to refer to next year or should an audit occur. The next tab is the Collection tab, which contains 2 sections on the left, Documents and Questionnaire. The questionnaire contains 25 questions to prompt reminders for the client what financial events occurred during the last tax year. It is also a great starting point for the tax preparer. The Documents section is where documents are uploaded and shared. You will note that we do not use folders because folders have limitations such as making it easy to have multiple copies of the same document and being difficult to search through. We built a tagging system where the users choose a category, subcategory, and tag for each document. Note that you may also choose more than one tag for a document. This allows the system to use a single copy of each document multiple times, and permits easier global search when you want to find and share documents. Lastly, you see the Tax Return tab. This is where the tax preparer will upload the draft tax return and the client will review that tax return. The components of the tax return are categorized in the column to the left. At the top is a 6-step process guiding the client as they review the return. During the review process, either side can turn on the Comments feature to place and record a comment or question anywhere on the document itself. After the review is completed, the client can digitally sign the e-file authorization forms here, and the tax preparer can confirm that the tax return was successfully electronically filed. At that point, the whole tax organizer is locked in place. We should also note that you may toggle between tax years with this drop-down at the top, or navigate to the Entity Management view by clicking the entity name. By clicking the X in the upper right corner, you will be returned to where to enter this tax organizer.